smart learners, today you will learn about Google Dorking. So what is Google Dorking? Google Dorking, also known as Google hacking. It is a technique that uses advanced Google search operators to find specific information or vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities are not easily available on the website. Google Dorking is often used in cybersecurity and intelligence gathering, but also works great for deep research or sourcing business information. These dorks are just smart ways of writing search queries to dig deeper into Google's index data. Now, for example, your goal is to find scrunchie manufacturer based in USA with around 30 employees. Also want to find their emails and contact info at the same time. So how will you tell the Google to do this thing with the help of a single query? Let's explore Google Dork examples with some explanations. Query is basic exact match search with contact information. For example, I'm searching here scrunchie manufacturer inverted commas close 30 employees USA email or contact. So as you can see that this query is giving us data of scrunchies manufacturer that are and it's also giving us email and phone number as well of those manufacturers that are located in USA. It's giving us multiple results from which one of them is this one. So it's giving us multiple results. So scrunchie manufacturer forces Google to find with this exact phrase. 30 employees targets company size. USA focuses on the location. Email or contact ensures the result has some kind of contact information. Use case is for general purpose search to find websites or company profiles that meet all criteria. Second thing to search is targeting company contact pages. Here we'll search in the Google as a query scrunchie manufacturer 30 employees site .com in text contact us or in text email. So it's giving us results of scrunchies and it's also giving us results of the email, their contact email as well as their location. Okay, it's giving us 2 to 3 companies contact information and as well as their email, their business emails actually, and it's also giving us a location as well. So site .com limits to commercial sites like company websites. It's giving us only .com websites. Actually we are asking the Google to show us only commercial sites, whereas in-text contact us finds pages that have the phrases in their body, whereas in-text email ensures either contact us or email is present. Its use case is finding actual contact or about us pages of scrunchie manufacturers. Now the third query that I want to search is business directories. So we will write in the Chrome scrunchie manufacturer 30 employees USA site zoominfo.com. So why this works is site zoominfo.com searches only zoominfo, a business directory, great for finding company size, location and contacts. So for the time being it's not giving us results because I guess zoominfo business directory does not have category of scrunchie right now. You can also search site linkedin.com instead of zoominfo, and as you can see that it's showing here strong company which is an e-commerce company in London. Another company is Monday March. It manages merch activities. Apart from that there is another company Scrunchie Avenue, which is introducing Scrunchie's basic package, and there are other companies as well. Moving forward to another query named as search PDFs, brochures, or presentations. Write in the search bar scrunchy manufacturer, 30 employees, USA, file type, PDF, email or contact. So it's showing us all the PDFs as we have searched for the PDFs only. I'll show you one by one what they are saying in these PDFs. So most of the scrunchy companies haven't uploaded their PDF as they don't need to upload it. Otherwise, we are getting some PDFs regarding fashion design, and I guess there is one title of MUSUBI scrunchie, wrap on your hair with this unique scrunchie in the kitchen, and I guess there is something brand unwrap PDF. It's showing only one of the item of their company. Another PDF is this, but I guess this is not linked to our topic right now. Sometimes PDFs also include emails or direct phone numbers. Now the fifth query that we are going to search is to use in title and in URL for company pages. So let's do this. Write in the search bar in title, scrunchy, manufacturer, in URL, contact, USA, 30 employees. Basically, in title makes sure that we are not getting any results for this, as I guess there isn't any single website dedicated for scrunchies. So basically, in title makes sure the page is about scrunchie manufacturers, whereas in URL, contact helps filter for contact pages, combined with USA and 30 employees for relevance. So this use case is powerful combo for finding relevant company contact pages. Let's change it to mobile manufacturers instead of scrunchie manufacturers. So as you can see that it's giving us contact of mobile manufacturers, and there are a lot of results of contact of mobile manufacturers, as there is a whole website dedicated towards making mobiles. Therefore, it's giving us only the page which is giving us contact. So this is how you can use this query. Moving forward to last query, which is finding emails using @domain.com pattern. So what we'll write in the search bar is scrunchy manufacturer, 30 employees, USA, @gmail.com or @company.com. This is business email actually. So as you can see that it's giving us results of scrunchie manufacturers, hair scrunchies, beach adjustable scrunchie sling for the USA. It's giving us records of USA. And some of them are also showing us emails as well as their contact numbers. So filters for pages that actually list email addresses, adjust domains depending on target @scrunchiecode.com. This use case is usable when you can spot actual email addresses indexed by Google this way. There are certain things to remember. Some directories don't show emails unless logged in. Secondly, you have to be ethical. Never use dorking for hacking or scraping sensitive data. So Google Dorking is a powerful technique that uses advanced search operators to uncover specific and often hidden information like business size, location, and contact details. It enables efficient targeted research like finding scrunchie, manufacturer, or whatever thing that you want to search. all through smart Google queries. So this was all from my side. Thank you so much for watching the video.